Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix File Explorer not responding in Windows 11. First method is File Explorer options in Windows search bar, click File Explorer options. Change to this PC, also select Show recently used files, select Show frequently used folders, select Show files from office.com, click Clear. Second method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart Task. Third method is Open File Explorer. Click View, Show, make sure uncheck Details pane and Preview pane. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.